why is this hesitation on the part of government to act on the demand side in some form of tax cuts or other measures so that demand gets up? Otherwise, why would the suppliers produce things if there is no demand in the economy?
I have the opinion that when you pump money in the economy, it is going to create demand. Suppose I am giving you an example. The 45 lakh MSME where the loan up to 25 crore and turnover up to 100 crore, additional 20% collateral free loan. And this money is approximately 3 lakh crore. Then subordinate debt fund of rupees 20,000 crore, that is going to 2 lakh MSMEs for benefiting the restructure of stressed assets. And again for restructure, we make the provision that is of fund of rupees 10,000 crore, which will combine with other funds to create a fund of rupees 50,000 crore for equity infusion. In the present banking formula, the industries which are not getting the advantage because of the law, because bank is not positioned to make a restructure of the industry, where government will take the risk and the government will definitely going to infusion of equity, and that equity which is given by government fund is now then that case will be legally applicable for all this norm or the banks, and bank can make the restructure of that industries. The EPF contribution reduced to 10% for 3 months. Liquidity support for only for this is 6,759 crore. And it is going to benefit 6.5 lakh establishment covered under EPFO and 4.3 employees of such organization with additional funds at hand. So ultimately this is going to helpful to industry, and when industry will get the money, when their limits are increased, working capital is increased, ultimately they are going to spend. Spending is more important. The money is never stopped anywhere. It is circulated. When you will receive the money, you will use it. And again, it is go suppose you take some garments, you can give money to him. Then garments will take some car, the money will go there. So in this way, we have to pump money into the economy, increase the purchasing power of the common man. Circulation of money is very important. And at the same time, it is going to accelerate the wheel of economy. And that is only the most important thing for the country. And the way in which government is trying, ultimately government has also their limitation. Whatever the government has, whatever the strength, we have given everything to the people. And we are trying that how we can get a success story, convert a success economic story in this situation. This is a big challenge.
Based on the measures given, do you really expect demand pickup to happen? Because all these projects are 3 to 5 years of impact. What we need is immediate revival and recovery. So my biggest concern is this, whether we will have a demand pickup.
One of the important thing is at any cost, we need to pump more money into the system. We have to increase the liquidity. Either it is from government or any from public private or investment or anywhere from foreign investment. Without creating more liquidity into the market, we cannot going to create more demand. That is very important. And that is the reason by all the ways we are trying. And we are also helping to the stakeholders at the lower level, the laborers, Jan Dhan Yojana. If they get money, they will definitely the money will start accelerating the economy, because when suppose in Jan Dhan Bank we deposited money, they immediately go to market and purchase something for their requirements. And that is the reason we need liquidity into the market. So all government departments, either with the budget or the public-private investment, it is the time for the country to accelerate this economy. We need liquidity. That is very important.